just did it when she was saying it. Now she...
Easy story.
Right? Okay. Making me start from the beginning. Shit. Okay,
Once upon a time.
In a truck, and then baby didn't get her toy. She was unsatisfied. Blah blah blah. Woo woo woo. And then Dad. Wait. Uncle was like, "There's a king. Once upon a time, there was a king and
a queen and a princess.
And her name was Aquafination. And Aquafination had a duck.
She had a little ducky.
She found a duck.
Hey, I did have a duck.
Home. You did.
I did have a duck.
Aquafination.
It was Ducky, fool.
We really had a ducky.
We should name it Ducky.
Yeah, I saw it. The white one?
Yeah.
Pretty
Yeah.
little thing.
Well, I guess your story was really about Freddy because...
I don't care, because I'm a Aquafination.
Hold on, the story, dude. The story. Back to the storyline. And then... Are you listening? Teresa, get off your phone.
Yes.
School's in session.
Come on, you're ruining the story for us.
And then the dad said, "Take it out. Get the hell out of here with the duck." Where did we hear that this morning? I don't know.
Story untold.
Get the fuck out. And then baby was like, "No." Aquafination's like, "No, it's my duck, Daddy. I bring it for you guys to cook for supper." And then Mommy and Daddy cooked that duck. The end. That's what his story was. Aquafination.
And the moral of the story is?
A chocolate
A chocolate bar. I don't need a chocolate bar out of a duck, though.
No, stupid, you don't get it? You're laughing with Samoans.
I said that yesterday.
This message is brought to you by Aquafina. Drink water.